CES 2020 was filled up with a huge collections of strutting and rolling robots, created to handle everything from everyday chores to nurturing human kindness. This year's show was also filled up with robots designed to provide companionships and alleviate loneliness. Robot pets are not a new player on this show, but the upgrade features are still a miss to many. The software and limpid eyes are designed to appeal our need as a human to protect and nurture. MarsCat, Elephant Robotic. This robotic pet is like a feline version of Sony's robot pop Aibo at the first glance, but the two are actually quite different. MarsCat is an open source and controlled by a Raspberry Pi, so you can tinker with it to your heart content. This robotic pet can also perform various cat-like tasks independently with no input from you. It will also respond to your touching and voice commands. This robotic pet is expected to sell for $1,300. Billabot Poodle Tag. This bizarre cat or trolley hybrid can bring your dinner, and you can also pet its ears. But do remember that Billabot has a job to do, so it will get annoyed if you distract it for too long with excessive affections. This kind of robotic pet has been scooting around Chinese restaurants for some time now, but the addition's features such as the ears and whiskers makes Billabot far more appealing. Petted Kubo, Yukai Engineering. This robot is perfect for those who love rubbing or tickling your actual pet, but with less worry that they will leave you as soon as they get bored. This furry therapy pillow has an expressive tail. A larger model of this petted Kubo is available on Amazon for $149. Wood Chef, Samsung. This robot chef can amaze you with its culinary abilities. It can whipping up an impressive tofu salad with only minimal help from a human assistant. This chef has two highly articulate arms with three-fingered hands, which are mounted under kitchen cabinets. Although this robot still cannot handle the chopping process, it did rummage for ingredients, measure and pour them, and use utensils to mix them with a perfect combinations. This bot chef can also respond to voice command, and once you have chosen what to cook, a screen will embed it in a cabinet showing each step of the process, with different steps for the right arm, left arm, and human helper. Robot Procter & Gamble. This beer-shaped robot balances on two wheels, Segway style, and can bring you a fresh roll of toilet paper if you are in a hurry and run out of tissue on the toilet. This robot is Bluetooth enabled, so you can call a robot from your phone while doing other works. This robot helper can be developed as part of Charmin Go Lab.